Unit 6. Still healthy, page 55. 3A. Listen and match the picture with the sentence. 1E. You should wear a mask when you have got a cold. An immediate mask that they marry. 2. You shouldn't spit in the public place. 3. C. You should clip your nail often. 4B. You should wash your hands before and after every meal. 5A. You should cover your mouth and nose when you cough. 3B. Read each situation and tell your friend what to do. Your friend has got a cough. You should cover your mouth and nose when you cough. Your friend nails are long. You should clip your nail. Your friend spit in public place. You shouldn't spit in public place. Your friend has got a cold. You should wear a mask. Your friend has just finished lunch. You should wash your hands. 4A. Listen and fill in the blanks. 1. Wash. 2. Shouldn't eat. 3. Should drink. 4. Shouldn't go. 5. Shouldn't get up. 6. Shouldn't drink. You should wash your hands often. You shouldn't eat a lot of sweets. You should drink a glass of milk every day. You shouldn't go to bed too late. You should get up early in the morning. You shouldn't drink sweet juice. 4B. Write a sentence for each picture. 1 example. You shouldn't play TV game for a long time. TV game will change. You shouldn't exercise every day. You shouldn't eat too many sweets. You should eat healthy food.